Welcome to Greatfields School.
Swagotom.
Bem-vindos.
Добро пожаловать.
Welcome to Greatfields School.
Akwaaba.
مرحبا بكم.
Bine ați venit.
خوش آمدید.
Добре дошъл в Greatfields.
Мир се вине.
Bienvenidos.
Karibuni Greatfields.
Witam.
Bienvenue.
Welcome.
We're a school for the local community and are proud to be at its heart. The school is built upon three simple principles. Excellent behaviour based on high expectations and mutual respect between staff and students. Great teaching and learning in which students are made to think hard and challenge themselves. And a fundamental belief that our students can compete with any other child in the country. I do hope you'll join us.
Our students are encouraged to adopt a growth mindset, learn from their mistakes and to be resilient in their learning.
We believe that our students should be exposed to the wide variety of art and culture that exists both here in the local community and beyond. We arrange trips to art galleries, museums and theatres in order to broaden their horizons and deepen their understanding of the culture that lies on their doorstep. In addition, we provide a wide range of extended curriculum opportunities for our students to take part in order to help them develop new skills and interests beyond the classroom.
Our brand new sixth form will open in September 2022 and we're extremely excited to be opening a post-16 provision right here in the heart of the community. The Key Stage 5 curriculum offers a wide variety of subject choices. Students can opt for an academic or vocational pathway in the sixth form.
Greatfields continuously provides new roles and encourages staff to think about ways they can develop their skills to contribute to the development of the school.
At Greatfields, we do everything we can to help our students to reach their potential. We do this by teaching challenging lessons, providing a wide range of opportunities outside of the classroom, and always believing in the extraordinary potential of our students. From the start of Year 7, we instill the belief that with hard work and dedication, our students can compete with any other child in the country.
To a Year 6 student coming to Greatfields next year, I would say it offers a great education as well as many opportunities.
Greatfields Basketball Academy will provide an additional sporting pathway for students at Greatfields. The Academy will also be open to young people of the community for evening sessions. The aim of the Academy is for us to help students dream it, believe it, achieve it.
At Greatfields School, we pride ourselves on building positive relationships with all students to make sure there is a safe and happy environment for all to learn in. In order for students to reach our high expectations, we have clear routines in place which students follow each day, such as lining up at the end of each break time and walking around the building calmly and on the left. These clear routines allow our students to focus on their learning and reaching their own goals and ambitions.
Greatfields has a positive environment both inside and outside of lessons. The students at Greatfields are very sociable and friendly, making Greatfields a very welcoming school. Greatfields is a great school to go to. It has provided many learning opportunities for myself and others. It prepares you and supports you through every step of secondary school and beyond.
Greatfields will be a fantastic experience. Your teachers will help you reach your full potential so that when the time comes, you'll be able to make informed life decisions for yourself.
At Greatfields, we ensure our behaviour is always up to standard to make sure every student has the ability to fully participate in their lessons and allow others to complete their work by making sure we are prepared, respectful and have a positive attitude towards everything we do. I hope to be a lawyer in the future and Greatfield is helping me achieve the ambitious goal. We are looking forward to seeing all the new Year 7. I strongly believe you would enjoy your time in Greatfields because you would experience incredible opportunities.
Come and join us.
Приходите к нам. Хайдене.
Et venez ici. تعال وانضم إلينا.
Venham junto a nós.
来加入我们.
For our Greatfields, don't us.
Come and join us.
Ajo.
Vă așteptăm cu drag.
Johnny najiunge na sisi.
Apnara عشان أمدر skole.
Vamos!
Come and join us.
Dream it, believe it, achieve it.